What's up, guys? Welcome to 12M Hustle. So today's video is going to be about how do you find support and resistance lines and how you can use them to trade better and be more profitable. All right, let's get to it. Hey guys, here we go. Let's get to it. So I got pulled up ticker DKNG, which is DraftKings. All right, so we're going to go ahead and draw support and resistance lines together. Okay, so this is usually what I do. So if you guys go to the daily, you go to the daily time frame, start daily, and you start all the way at the top. So let's go, boom, 64.19 was basically its highest point. As you can tell, it's right there. So that is going to be your resistance, okay? Because that's all-time highs. And you go over here. We're going to keep it pretty simple. And this will be your next resistance. So if you guys notice, it touches it more than 5 times. So you have 1 candle, 2 candles, 3 candles, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you'll go ahead and place that right here. Now, these are going to be your also your support and resistance. When something breaks through, then it goes vice versa. So for example, this is going to be your resistance and this is your support. If the stock comes crashing down and passes this resistance, well then this no longer is going to be your resistance, right? Because it just broke through. So what you're going to have to do is go through your next one. And how you're going to know is when it looks really easy. Don't force the lines. So when it's like drastically easy, if you can tell it goes 1, 2, 3, boom, 4. Hits it again, 1, 2. So more than 5 to 6 times, it keeps bouncing off and it keeps bouncing off. And then this becomes your new support, right? Once this stock starts crashing down, breaking through this support, then boom, this will become your resistance and this will become your support. So what I usually do is I draw 4 lines. This keeps it real simple for me. As you guys can tell, boom, right here, it hits at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you got your 4 lines, right? You're in there. Now, if you want to double check your work, what I'll do is I'll go to the 4-hour time frame. Now this breaks it down even more in detail. All right, so in a 4-hour time frame, you can actually see it much more clearly. As you can tell, this is going to be your zone, okay? So each resistance or support, I call them zones, which means it doesn't have to be perfectly up to the line. It's in this area between right here, okay? So as you can tell, it hits it 1, 2, 3, 4, boom. Same thing right here, just consistently, gets rejected, gets rejected, gets rejected again, gets rejected, keeps falling. And then here, as you can tell, it breaks, right? Finally breaks. This is your resistance. This is your support. Breaks the support, goes down, boom, and then this becomes your new support, and this becomes your resistance. So if you were going to trade this, let's say you were going to intraday trade this, right? You're here. You're in the 4-hour. You have it all drawn out. You go to the, let's say, 10-minute chart. You're here. You understand that this right here, that the line that you drew out, is your resistance. As you can tell, pre-market, it goes up, it gets rejected, then it just goes down, consolidates all day long, finally starts gapping up, finally starts breaking, right? Starts breaking through, and then you're like, oh, so if you would have got in here, would have made a nice little profit, then taking your profit out, and then you would have out of the trade. This was today, okay? So this is basically how you use your resistance and your support line, knowing that if you get in the trade here and you want to take your profit because it's just hit the brand new resistance, then you'll take your profit. If you want to leave a little bit, 10% to run it to see if it breaks through, if you have enough volume, enough buyers, if it breaks through, then you'll ride the whole wave all the way up to the top. And then because you drew out your lines, this is your brand new resistance, to sell right here. Like that is your indicator. And of course you'll sell your other 90%. And then you'll just leave 10% just in case the trade keeps going your way. Now, if it doesn't, well, then you cut your losses. You'll cut right here. You'll be like, I'm out. You'll take your profits and you'll run to the next one. And that's pretty much how you draw your resistance and your support line and how you use them to intraday trade. And actually, you can use them for swing trade as well. So if you want to use them for swing trade, it'd be the same thing. Let's say you'll get in the trade right here, right? Because it just hit the support. Let's say you put in 10 grand, 5 grand, whatever your money amount is, and you ride it away. And your swing trade is basically to go from here to here, right? Because you you've seen from prior the charts, you know that it can reach it. You know that, all right, this is gonna be my support level right here, right? So you buy here, goes, breaks the resistance. This becomes your support now. Keeps going, breaks the resistance. Now this becomes your support, and you ride it all the way up. Boom, and then you sell right there. You also understand that if you know how to use your RSI, you know that it's a little bit overbought. You're looking at your MACD. You can take 90%. If this was a swing trade, right? You rolled this whole play. You played it out. This didn't happen in 1 or 2 days. This was like a 1 to 2 week play. Okay, so you can swing trade this, you can day trade, or you can invest. If you were going to invest, let's say it hit all-time lows, you know, right over here when it was 34, let's say you put, you know, a little bit of money and you're going to ride the wave until it hits all-time highs. You can invest. It takes 2, 3, 4 months. Then you understand that this is a really good deal. You know this is a discount. You understand it's a discount because you can see on the graph it's broken through all these lines, all these supports and resistance, and then boom, this will become your brand new support at 34. Right? So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope I didn't take too much time. Just tried to break it down for you guys, nice and easy. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know. DM me. Please, 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 smashy that like button. Appreciate it, guys. Peace out.